Your Instagram account can be hacked in under 60 seconds, and most people don't even realize how it happens. Hackers use this simple app to guess your password. Now when the app launches, you'll see a loading screen with a progress bar at the bottom. Just let it finish. Once that's done, you'll land on the main dashboard. Now here, you'll notice a bunch of different modules, but we're focusing on just one feature, so go ahead, tap on it. Here you'll see a section called Target Profile. This is where you enter the Instagram username or the profile URL. So now open your mobile menu and launch your Instagram app. Go to the profile you want to analyze. For this example, I'm just picking a random profile. Once you're on it, tap the three-dot menu in the top right, then tap Copy Profile URL. Now go back to the app. You'll see a paste button, tap it and the link will be filled automatically. Now, look at these options below: Monitor Mode, Unauthorized Access Simulation, turn that on. Now, these checkboxes, Deauthentication Attack, Public Data, Followers Analysis, Vulnerabilities, just keep them selected like this. Now, hit Start Authorized Test. Now the scanning process begins. At the top, the target username, and below a list of tasks being performed. Just let it run, don't press back, don't close the app, and don't switch to other apps. Alright, once the scan is complete, you'll be taken to the results screen. Here you'll see an overview of the account, number of posts, followers, following, and general profile details. Below that you can see things like privacy settings, two-factor authentication, backup email. Now go ahead and tap Fetch Account Data. This brings you to the countermeasures section. Take a second and look at what's enabled here. Two-factor encryption, certificate pinning, phishing protection. Once everything looks like this, tap MITM Attack. A console-style window will appear on this screen. Now turn all of these on: public data, profile info, vulnerability, authorization, everything on. Now tap Exploitation. Once you tap Exploitation, the console will start showing live system activity. You may see lines related to loading modules, checking configurations, reviewing profile data, analyzing privacy settings, checking network responses, and preparing report data. The console may look like complex coding, but you don't need to understand every line. Don't worry, these lines are simply showing background activity. Just let the process finish completely. This part can take some time. Avoid pressing stop fetching unless you want to cancel, so do not press back, close the app, or switch to another app. Interrupting it may stop the scan or affect the final results. As the process continues, the system will keep updating the console. Alright, this part takes a bit of time, so I am just going to speed this part up while the system processes everything. Nothing you need to focus on right now. Let's jump straight to the result. After a while, it will enter the final data compilation stage. You'll see a progress circle again, meaning final data is being compiled. And once it's done, the View Detailed Report button becomes available. Tap on that. Now this is where you get the full breakdown. At the top you'll see account information like username, display name, profile type, user ID. Below that you'll see account information, things user ID. So here you can see there's a hidden password field, and right next to it, there's a small button. If you tap on it, the password becomes visible instantly. And that's the point of this video. This isn't about hacking, it's about understanding how these apps work and why you should not blindly trust them. Let me show you what I mean. Go ahead and open your mobile menu and launch the Instagram app. Now, you already have these credentials. Simply enter the username, then type in the password. And just like that, they're in. You can even verify access by opening the profile and everything loads normally. And yeah, that's the point. This isn't about hacking. It's about understanding how vulnerabilities work so you can protect yourself better.